Welcome to our channel. If you are new here, hit subscribe, because every week we bring you the most amazing stories from the natural world. Today's video is going to change the way you see one of the most misunderstood creatures on Earth, spiders. 55 incredible facts about spiders that will absolutely blow your mind. Let's go. Fact number 1. There are over 45,000 known species of spiders on Earth, and scientists believe thousands more are still waiting to be discovered. Fact number 2. Spiders live on every continent on Earth, except Antarctica. Wherever there is life, there is almost certainly a spider nearby. Fact number 3. The first spiders appeared on Earth 380 million years ago. They were here before the dinosaurs, before flowers even existed. Fact number 4. Every single spider on Earth produces venom. Every single one. But fewer than 30 species out of 45,000 are considered dangerous to humans. Fact number 5. There are an estimated 10,000 spiders per acre of healthy land. That is more spiders than people on the entire planet. Fact number 6. Spider silk is 5 times stronger than steel of the same weight, and more elastic than nylon. It is the most impressive natural material ever discovered. Fact number 7. A single spider can produce 7 different types of silk. Each one is perfectly engineered for a different purpose: trapping prey, building structure, wrapping eggs, or creating a safety line. Fact number 8. Spiders never get stuck in their own webs. They know exactly which threads are sticky and which are safe, and they walk only on the safe ones. Fact number 9. Every morning, many spiders eat their entire web and recycle the proteins. By night, they spin a brand new one. Zero waste, perfected 380 million years before humans thought of recycling. Fact number 10. The golden silk orb weaver spins webs with a beautiful golden shimmer in sunlight. The silk is so fine and strong that in some cultures, it has been woven into fabric softer than cashmere. Fact number 11. Scientists are working to recreate spider silk in laboratories for use in bulletproof vests, surgical sutures, artificial tendons, and biodegradable packaging. A spider's thread may one day save human lives. Fact number 12. The Darwin's bark spider produces silk that is 10 times tougher than any other known biological material, and it spins webs across rivers up to 25 meters wide. Fact number 13. NASA sent spiders to the International Space Station to see if they could spin webs in zero gravity. They could. The webs were slightly more three-dimensional, but perfectly functional. Fact number 14. Spiders collectively eat between 400 and 800 million tons of insects every year. That is more than the total weight of every human being on Earth, combined. Fact number 15. Without spiders, insect populations would explode and devastate crops worldwide. Every apple, every grain of wheat, every vegetable in your kitchen is partly thanks to a spider. Fact number 16. In rice fields across Asia, farmers actively protect spiders because a single spider can consume thousands of mosquitoes and crop pests each year, with no chemicals needed. Fact number 17. A study in apple orchards found that where spiders roamed freely, pest damage dropped by up to 74%, without a single pesticide being used. Fact number 18. Spiders help control mosquito populations, including species that carry malaria and dengue fever. They are one of our most powerful natural defenses against disease. Fact number 19. The peacock spider is just 5 millimeters wide, but the male displays a fan of brilliant iridescent colors and performs an elaborate dance to attract a mate. It is one of the most joyful sights in the natural world. Fact number 20. Jumping spiders have the sharpest vision of almost any animal their size. They see in full color, judge distances with remarkable accuracy, and when they look at you, they are genuinely curious. Fact number 21. The Portia spider can plan its route to reach prey it cannot even see yet, navigating detours and solving special puzzles. It is considered the most intelligent spider ever studied. Fact number 22. The net-casting spider holds a tiny web between its front legs like a shopping bag, and hurls it over passing prey with astonishing speed and accuracy. Fact number 23. The spitting spider fires venomous silk from its fangs at 100 kilometers per hour. It hits its target in 1/700th of a second. Fact number 24. The bolus spider produces a single silk thread tipped with a sticky ball, and swings it to catch moths, like a tiny cowboy with a lasso. Fact number 25. The wraparound spider can flatten its entire body against a tree branch so perfectly that it becomes completely invisible, a living, breathing optical illusion. Fact number 26. Some spiders balloon. They release a thread of silk into the wind and float through the air to find new homes. Spiders have been found drifting 2.5 miles above the Earth's surface. Fact number 27. The diving bell spider lives entirely underwater. It spins a silk bubble full of air and breathes from it like a tiny scuba tank. It almost never needs to come to the surface. Fact number 28. Mother wolf spiders carry their babies on their backs, sometimes hundreds of tiny spitterlings at once. They are among the most devoted parents in the insect world. Fact number 29. The ogre-faced spider has the largest eyes relative to its body size of any land animal on Earth. It hunts in total darkness, detecting prey by sensing tiny air movements. Fact number 30. The giant huntsman spider has a leg span of 30 centimeters, wider than a dinner plate. Despite its dramatic size, it is shy, gentle, and largely harmless to humans. Fact number 31. The smallest spider ever recorded is the Patadigua, measuring just 0.37 millimeters. You could fit 10 of them on a single grain of rice. Fact number 32. A trapdoor spider in Australia lived for 43 years, the oldest spider ever recorded. She outlived the scientist who had been studying her for most of her life. Fact number 33. The social huntsman spider lives in colonies of up to 300 individuals under tree bark. They cooperate to hunt, share food, and raise their young together. Fact number 34. The Sydney funnel web spider has venom that can kill a human in under 15 minutes. But since anti-venom was introduced in 1981, not a single person has died from its bite. Fact number 35. The black widow's venom is 15 times more potent than a rattlesnake's, yet it rarely kills. Because it injects such a tiny amount, the fear is much bigger than the danger. Fact number 36. Compounds found in spider venom are being tested as treatments for heart attacks, blocking cell damage in the critical minutes after cardiac arrest. Fact number 37. A peptide from the funnel web spider is being developed as a treatment for stroke. In clinical trials, it protected brain cells even when given several hours after the stroke occurred. Fact number 38. Spider venom is also being studied as a potential treatment for chronic pain, epilepsy, muscular dystrophy, and even Alzheimer's disease. Fact number 39. The Brazilian wandering spider holds the Guinness World Record for most venomous spider, but researchers are now studying its venom as a possible treatment for erectile dysfunction. Fact number 40. Some spider webs glow under ultraviolet light. Scientists believe this may attract insects, which are naturally drawn to UV radiation, like a biological lure. Fact number 41. The trapdoor spider builds a hinged door at the entrance to its burrow using silk, soil, and plant material, perfectly camouflaged and spring-loaded to snap shut. Fact number 42. Spiders have blue blood, instead of iron-based hemoglobin. Their blood uses copper-based hemocyanin, which turns blue when it carries oxygen. Fact number 43. Spiders do not have muscles to extend their legs. Instead, they use hydraulic pressure, pumping body fluid into their legs to push them outward. That is why a dead spider curls up. Fact number 44. Most spiders have 8 eyes, but many have poor eyesight and rely almost entirely on vibration and touch to sense the world around them. Fact number 45. Spiders can survive for months without food by dramatically slowing their metabolism. Some species can go over a year without eating a single meal. Fact number 46. The triangle weaver spider builds a brand new web every single night, and takes it down completely every morning. It does this its entire life without fail. Fact number 47. The ant-mimicking spider looks, moves, and even smells like an ant. To avoid predators and sneak up on prey, it waves its front legs like antennae to complete the disguise. Fact number 48. Spider silk has been used in telescopes and scientific instruments as crosshairs because it is so fine, so strong, and so consistent. For centuries, there was nothing better. Fact number 49. The Goliath Bird Eater tarantula is the largest spider in the world by mass. It can eat frogs, lizards, and small snakes, and its fangs are large enough to puncture a human fingernail. Fact number 50. Some spiders produce silk that changes color depending on the angle of light, an effect called structural color, the same mechanism that makes butterfly wings iridescent. Fact number 51. The water spider is the only spider species known to live its entire life underwater, hunting, mating, and raising its young inside its silk air bubble home. Fact number 52. Spiders molt. They shed their entire exoskeleton as they grow. During this process, they are completely vulnerable. Some species regenerate lost legs during a moult. Fact number 53. The peacock spider was only formally described by scientists in 2008. New spider species are still being discovered every year, even in well-studied regions. Fact number 54. Spiders play a critical role in the food chain, not just as predators, but as prey. Birds, lizards, frogs, and wasps all depend on spiders as a key food source. Fact number 55. And finally, spiders kill fewer people per year than bees, dogs, or vending machines. They have shared our homes and our planet for hundreds of millions of years. They are not our enemies, they are our neighbors. And that is our 55 incredible facts about spiders. If even one of these surprised you, give this video a like. It truly helps our channel grow. Subscribe if you want more amazing facts about the natural world every week. And drop in the comments, which facts surprised you the most? We read every single one. Thank you so much for watching. See you in the next video.